Let's try something super random because I'm going to use an electronic assistant. First, we'll start off with some playing cards. And you can see that these are giant. They're also made of plastic. But even though, I could still do my famous triple cut. Next, I want a playing card suit. Alexa, name a playing card.
Your card is the Jack of Diamonds.
Okay, so we're going to use diamonds as our suit. And I'm going to place a card in a particular spot. Okay, I just did it. Doesn't look like I did it, but I did it. Next, each card has a value. Ace is 1, Jack is 11, Queen is 12, King is 13. Alexa, I want you to name a random number between 1 and 13.
Here's a number between 1 and 13. It's 11.
11. That would be the Jack of Diamonds then. Alexa, what's 11
The
times?
Jack of Diamonds is a playing card in a standard 52 card deck.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, what's 11 times 2?
11 times 2 is 22.
Okay. Wrong, Alexa, but it answered. Let's make it even more random. Alexa, what's 22 times 2?
22 times 2 is 44.
Okay, 44.
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
So let's count 44 cards and see if that's where our Jack of Diamonds is at. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 3, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 9, 40, 41, 42, 43, and let's look at number 44, and it is the Jack of Diamonds. Very good, Alexa. That's a card at any number.